burgers. Some onions gone. Baked beans. Here I have done on top of here we got baked potatoes back there. We got Frank's, a little bit of barbecue chicken, some brats. And down here on level 2. Oh, I got the vegetable chicken jump off right there. I didn't curry that. I would have curried it, but I didn't curry that one right there. Then we have the fish here, some salmon, and a couple of other brats. And we gonna get ready to grub right now. We're ready to grub right now. Warm this up a little bit too. Oh. Yeah. What up, PXO Future Flow, man? Your boy in the lab on that Dilla Rising Friday. Don't forget, shouts to your boy Dilla, man. R.I.P. brother.
Stop. Stop. Yeah, ride with me, come on. Ride with me, come on. Yeah, ride with me, come on. Ride with me, come on. Ride with me, come on. Yeah, ride with me, come on.
You should enjoy this ride. Is that too many like syllables to try to fit in there? Like, sing it when you hear it.
Oh, what you mean, like, cause it is gonna overlap a little.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, it would overlap a little, cause it's not it down flow right. What you mean?
I'm just buying.
Street cred, you get the notoriety. Watch, they go down blocks. Now they got you locked, but will it stop? Perpetual wicked cycle, will it stop? Stop. Yeah, ride with me, come on. Ride with me, come on.
Don't you wanna ride?
Yeah, ride with me, come on. Ride with me, come on. Ride with me, come on.
You should enjoy this
Yeah,
ride.
ride with me, come on.
Stuff like that, yeah. Like, but like how you was doing it. I know you get it when you want to start flowing.
Yeah, this ride is like a roller coaster. When you
Oh.
Got the new monster DNAs. Stupid though. These are stupid though.
Need to give my life.
Need to give my life.
Shit. That shit was so great. Epic. I wish I could get my friends that could really sing to do some dumb shit like that. They would. They'd be like, nah. I like that shit. It's the most epic shit ever.
You killed that shit.
Ready to rock? Want me to test it?
Yeah, there we go. We good.
Live from New York City.
I know, all of my ass. How my ass looking? You know? Kind of shit.
Let me
Like, can I turn this way or something?
you want to
All of my ass. I'm
I
getting
turned a
thick.
different way.
You should enjoy this ride. You want to say all that right there? It just sounds like.
What do you do, y'all? Today's Wednesday. Just got back from Applebee's, one of my favorite places to eat. With the AMG meeting, we had a little meeting, get together about business. Because this is business. Always remember that. 10% music, 90% business. So handle your business. That's what we was doing today, man. Handling business, it's a little private little meeting. Couldn't bring y'all in there with the camera, but it is what it is. Just uploading right now my Dropbox, man. Sending my music video out to Russia. My first music video about the drops called Loud. Y'all be on the lookout for that. Thursday, 8 o'clock in the morning, and I am up early building the American Monster Guild website so we get ready for our launch party coming up February 20th. Holla back at your boy. Yup. multiple talents. That's what's up, man. We gotta get in there by any means. What up? Today's Friday. You see it. Dealer Day. Show your respect.
You ever love somebody, but you don't really like them? Yeah, man. What's love got to do with it, right?
Oh, for real though, man. It's a real situation.
You wonder why I don't take you out. Cause every time you be wildin' out. That's the shit that I be talking about. Right there. That's the shit that I be talking about. Right there. Used to hit the club, we stay at the house. Barely have sex cause you be tripping out. That's the shit that I be talking about. Right there. That's the shit that I be talking about.
The shit I'm talking about right there.
It's Saturday morning. I'm very early. I've been up since 5. It's like 6 o'clock right now. Things on my mind, man. Stress. Gotta get it off. You know, gotta work. So what I'm doing right now is online, taking care of my business very early so I can hit these people in the head come Monday, man, about my royalties. Like, I haven't received royalties since the 90s. And this is like 14 years later. So they owe me some bread for my music. So BMI, be prepared to get a phone call from my management on Monday. Alright, I just had to upgrade the Mac. I'm a little bit excited for that. You know, it's an old computer over here, but it still gets it in, you dig? Technology is moving so fast, it's moving faster than we can keep up with it, so just had to drop that snow leopard on y'all. Welcome. Let's go. I'm devastated, so I gotta make this short and sweet. The hard drive crashed on the computer. What up? Today's Sunday. Yesterday the hard drive crashed. It did crash. I lost all that music, man. Lost the whole Trap King mixtape. Lost the whole Dilla Raza mixtape. And that's my daughter right there. I'm gonna spend some time with her today, man. Later. You know this song? Which song is this?
Daddy!
You like this song?
Hey yo, this one right here, it's called Enjoy the Ride.
Yeah, ride with me, come on.
So sit
Ride
back.
with me, come on.